So next we have bending an electron beam. So yung electron beam kanina, yan yung sa example 1 natin, which is from the old television. An experiment designed to measure the magnitude of a uniform magnetic field. Electrons are accelerated from rest through a potential difference of 350 volts and then enter a uniform magnetic field that is perpendicular to the velocity vector of the electrons. The electrons travel along the curved path because of the magnetic force exerted on them, and the radius of the path is measured to be 7.5 centimeters. So this is our radius. Such a curved beam of electrons is shown. So ito yung electron beam natin na ito yung pag-view natin sa X and Y plane, di ba? Going back. Nasa uniform magnetic field siya. And the path of the particle is circle pag sa X and Y plane. Pero pag sa X and Z plane. Pero pag sa X plane, pag dito tayo mag-view, we can see the path of the particle is helix. So, since X, Z, and Y plane man tayo nag-view, the path of the electron beam is circle. So, yung from equation 8.2, no, yung energy conservation, maano natin na meron siyang kinetic energy and potential energy. No? In which kinetic energy equals to 1/2 mv squared minus 0 plus the potential energy, which is change of potential difference. O ito, yan yung potential difference natin. So, pag i-derive natin siya, we will multiply this both sides by 2 para makancel yung 1/2. Yan. So, meron tayong 2 dito and i-transpose natin siya on the other side, in which magiging negative siya. Yan. Negative 2Q, change in potential difference. And dividing both sides by M, maka-cancel yung M dito. And we will have an M here. So, what is the magnitude of the electric field? So, using the equation 29.3, we have R equals to mass times velocity over charge and magnetic field. So, multiply natin siya by B. Put B, then makancel tong B and may B yan dito. And dividing both sides by R, we'll have the magnetic field equals to mass times velocity over charge and radius. So, since yung mass ng electron is 9.11 times 10 is to the power of negative 31 kilogram, and the velocity, which is from earlier, use this equation, square root pen siya dyan para ma-cancel yung squared. We will have 1.11 times 10 raised to the power of 7 meter per second divided by Q, which is our charge, which is 1.6 times 10 negative 19 coulomb, and our radius of 0.075 meter. from 7.5 centimeter. So 8.4 times 10 raised to the power of negative 4 Tesla is our magnetic field. What is the angular speed of the electrons? So yan yung B. So using our equation of angular speed, which is omega equals to velocity over radius. And since our velocity is 1.11 times 10 is power 7 meter per seconds, that is our value for velocity, and our radius is 0.075 meter. Ayan. Calculating that, we will have 1.5 times 10 raised to the power of 8 rad over second. So that is our angular speed of the electron. So ito naman, we have a figure 29.11, which is magnetic battle. So we can see that a magnetic force exerted in a particle near dito of the end of the battle is a component that causes the particle to spiral back toward the center. So diba, since we have a uniform magnetic field, yung path ng particle is helix, diba? And since yung end niya dito is pa ano pa wait. Since pababa yung ano niya dito, yung end ng magnetic field, pagdating dito sa end is mag-spiral. So, ha? The particle moves. So, what if a particle moves in a non-uniform magnetic field na oscillates between the endpoints? So, oscillates between the endpoints dito, no? So first, di ba, since uniform magnetic field siya, ang path niya is helix. Pero, sa endpoint niya is nag-oscillate siya, which causes the particle to mag-spiral back ulit siya dito. Pagdating niya dito, mag-spiral back ulit siya. So, that is the magnetic battle. And this is a Van Allen radiation belt. So, connected to siya sa aurora na nitakay natin kanina. So, the Van Allen radiation belts consist of charged particles. Diba? Since uniform yung magnetic field niya dito, and which causes the particle to spiral, or the path is helix, diba? It is mostly electrons and protons surrounding the Earth. So it surrounds the Earth in a donut-shaped regions. So the particles spiral around the field from pole, so ito yung South Pole, diba? And North Pole. From pole to pole, covering the distance in only a few seconds. So mabilis tong pag-spiral nila dito, no? Only a seconds. Pero these particles originated mainly from the sun. So ito yung uh, cosmic rays na nanggaling sa sun. So you can imagine na yung sun is dito, pero malayo lang. So meron ding magnetic wave yung magnetic field yung sun, and napupunta siya dito sa Earth. And pero nagdi-deflect siya ng magnetic field ng Earth, and di na reach ng cosmic rays yung ating atmospheres. Pero some of the particles became trapped here, and that makes up the Van Allen belts. So pag yung particles na ito are located over the poles, they sometimes collide with atoms along the atmosphere na nagkokos ng atoms na mag-emit ng ilaw na makikita natin. So these collisions are origin of the beautiful aurora borealis or northern lights. In northern hemisphere, dito yung northern hemisphere, and the aurora australis in the southern sphere. So yung southern sphere. Kaya only in northern sphere and southern sphere nangyayari yung aurora borealis because of the magnetic field. So yun lang.